Abusiafo ye mamu nyina kwaba ene nso eye fiada otwedi ampo ye wanyakopon so adawma ode acha ye de na je se me wo case Anaa na Friday ye de baba ye wi ana che se for the papi ne akofa town na de ebe ye ho no ye ho because ene ni nyina ehia na ni nyina nso ka ho ene ma no eyeye enweme me ma good evening ne mama akwaba nti se wo ba ena wo hwe ye de a ye da se wo do TV no eto eye Adom TV ye wazo ye ene asempa 94.7 senso wo dem ene aba beto a ye da se waje etata baby a wo bia wo teka mu na wo na otie na asempa thank you so wo de ato asempa 94.7 ye fra me vim lady efia pokua efia da me ba onchen a enye trouble enye wahala enye disturbance ne mo me ba se me kyerew emranum ye de lawyer for ma ben abekire mu na ye so yonko da no da nti wo sa asema to obi ana so de ye suade e na afa so sabe o kwase ebo eya se awunim okuma mu ene wadwiri mu se wudi bem na obi twi wafa so obi bo no aye yakayaka de eya na unim obi asem a enyina ba bi da enkoka se nipa ne twmanson because sabe kwase ebo se de maka no eya pa so obema bi ni oba bi awo no se mehwe no me ntua hwe nyamea wa so unim sa to pe wa na buyi waso se nyamea so ahu kwase ebu eya e wo so ekokot na tugu babam oti ase eti anu ti na nwumre ye wa ha mame ka o se ye de aboafo a wo mu support ye na wo mu tai echi na wo mu boy de bia origin 0 oti ase ye num na ye mpe she na boys no kotena seten a ave na je se akom na ba no boys me kan wo se ye na ebehwie bia gu mpa cho ye de ye malai wo ye kremonia kronkron na je se ni nyina wanom origin 0 akonim but ye de haba mana ye de ye bites no abi ane ye de ye se de ba wo benya ho ode mama sa de too low more vim na wo de ye wadwuma anwumre ye mo akwaba e wo mi wo case Anaa so na case ye ba behwe no woni beje because obi asem no de abrantie bi ni company bi aye adwuma wo se chemicals o mu use unity wanya yare se sei wo hye de huna de company ni to okofie ne ye ba behwe eno ano krana na o case Anaa ye behwe ni nyina ne aka we aye mi wo case Anaa for Facebook na hwe real vim lady Instagram drop a comment no minya aboche Friday obi a person o che nbe ye mbie ja o ti ate ko ye free a sitting ye ba sesi a mi wo case Anaa ya samu makwaba bio your live Adom TV so mo case Anaa ene ya san ehia ye to aso de amam ne ne lawyer for ma ben wo hwa me pink ya October eye bosome a ye bodero efa kokram to emalufum breast cancer nti won se ma so media mu ene si no bra day so ba TV so dia won me ka se no bra o ti ase me majak media mama gum because ene doctor ba ko surgeon wo kolebu no ka se wo ya ye me mo enufo no prison sa den e manfra ho ti ma shada no magum but si no bra day nti pink ti esra mo ma no obi anko check ne de check nufu camera woman me ye wo hwe me de me madam ade su tua bi check wo de o ti ase wo kuna wo boy anu am na mia ma enye se mia se eyi pani di panawu mia na fe masa manka ama camera man ni me ye wo bosi manka ama o ti ase eyi self check o check ye wo se de e wo de nsa ba akutu etifi unima na akọ hospital no ma ya ama but memma de because o mo anom di agronti on betimi a check se ade na sesa eso be ma onye smart obe ma onche da mpenere eno kwa de so yiri kwa ye mensesa na sesa be wabu ni sa so tumi se ne ma sesa so ati ati eno we de obi won ma no azu omia no chese memma ni bi so nye o de enfan so ho o de ene October bosome ni nyina breast cancer awareness month eno ne na mpese me make e fa me vim lady bio na nem ni lawyer for ma ben lawyer kwam na wusu mensa lawyer ne lawyer ko chele America sa legal break ya na lawyer Paul atutobe wono te Ghana ha no so ati awiem no wo brade ote America ni Trump ene edi atrentwie afa na ice no na ne na chese wode nkase na breast ye ntia se da ati ase lawyer wa hasi sana lawyer Parker atiso ena maboni de na atiso be wa hanum se lawyers ya mama kwaba o de wan ko America ni bi anko chele sunyani oso ko ba conference ko chele kama sunyani so de aduane wo
obaya choba special
sa wo sunyani lawyers me kazen kamu cheda mpe choba sa o
oko hu seniors pa no mo yi omkut pa
no mo hwim
kwan no mo chewo ta wo
lawyers abre lawyers abre mo si hian kwampa mo kra na mo hian kwampa because be gina ho sa na o read cases my idea mo my idea nti amamu na kwaba e wo me case ana so na your first case no about abrantie ba kom oso aye adwuma as a mining company we just said the okana sema as a woman aye mines adwuma aye adwuma ho na no say mines no wo me use chemicals ne ade na say o say wo hwa na ho mfa no no ya no call hospital mo check am say ho beto e kire na doctors here test and omo hu say na ni no ehuna de papa omo asem on beka ne say chemicals na omo use na adwuma mu no e ka ho bi na ma na ni enhyeda enye papa ti akofa asem e de abre no won be den na ayeye say company no de ko to human resource manager no say mo wo case dem mom kofie na ye hwe nkrata ni nyina mu wi a ye de wi kakra bebrew say de ba adwuma na wani ni tuntumi nye no watimi aye say o say obetena fie adwuma ne ma no omumwa ne ketekete wa nim ga na adwuma ruafo om de brofo no omka omumwa no kra nti abrantie be so o say owo case ana mama sha se fi America boga ba ko pe ya wa ba na lawyer enchem lawyer kobi kwamna otu mensa mpacho abrantie wo case say de adwuma ni nti wanya yare na ni huna de na company na wo na tiko akoto na twene ya beba ya ma abesi ne o case
any kind of venture for America.
Oh, so I sent you.
In Ghana for Worcester area.
Who's an alcohol? Hey, I want you any beje. Any beje.
My contents so ya pokajima.
I saw one who okra obe junior man.
Madam.
Domasi.
Usha asemi ya edwumaru asede se environment nipa be ya adwuma wo mu. Eye environment bebo nipa no ho ban a emma ne nya yare bia na se ade nipa na konya problem a konya no e kire se ba bi o ye adwuma no e na ama na nya sa problem na e wase de se obehwe no so ntimi nya adwuma bi wa ye wo we ti calculate a ye be ma no compensation.
Oh sir.
Yes ye behwe umfia se ye fa ne se nipa nyini a obenyini normally I do 70 years. And from time I was a CN, any time a bit the answer on 70 years. The bear calculation. So until me maybe when any na say,
I Ganamra. I see.
Ghana, yes, you're doing in our come in a calculation.
Na dear na ubenya ebema wait me in your case. So cast away your renwa my case, and I say, here, it be a hospital report, and now hospital no they are buying hospital and now private hospital. Then I bet you say
when he say any day waka say adwuma no me ekọ check no e ma check na ba out abeka say adwuma wo ye no chemicals no na affect no enti sa doctors report na e betima gina so ameki sa demand na ma no
here say be a private hospital na
ba baby and dey be for extra checks. Okay because e be a omo pese omo hu the intensity che say the bia na nyina say akodu e bia ye rectify be ya na say rectify enye o say de nyina aka ho ne de bom e ma ne ska obetima dia akopem ne na nyame de ama no e wa asase so say be abrabom be mra ama no
na lawyer so company ni bana company ni so say bia oni sika e no so yes na e be ni
sika
so company bi wono ma say de mukro mu for America for you no file for bankruptcy bia oni sika
Ghana had here. Say company in this kind of company no property. And yes, can go on physical cash. Or property I ton it me to your car. Yes, a crime or car or the with the energy. Aye. And he said company in this case only physical cash. Who saw the property?
Eddie
Atikano. Say a company no say so muko ye involved in any litigation or more obini or more manson. There's a manson ni bubo or more. There's a muntia. Scanner. Your budget company property. It is any pa won't so wo Japan. San ye beton the article. And it is a money and memukra.
I see.
And memukra.
I see. Lawyer artist of Bema Musa Abrantie the studio near Bema can say oh case. Who so one is our case.
Case the our case. But I'll see a church. You say yes, our case. Near the kind I'll say yes, and ye beside who say employer no and a jumano wo asedi bia uncle also ye 1 year in a day arena bana so we share chemicals na you say chemicals right it says be o ye adwuma no na healing ba we share scenario now I say every year bia omoye
check as a soldier for
exactly say last year the previous we no not on yare nti this time ne hu so yare nti no kakosi say yare no onya no now adwuma bia woni level of risk level mo adwuma mo ye mining military bia woni na wo hwe Labor Act 2003 section 9A I say provide me read it briefly say provide work and appropriate raw materials machinery and equipment I said also provide equipment personal protective equipment Inti say utu femo
and una wo kira ase na say that is the law
that is equipment you can equipment na equipment nyema obe use a be prevent ebe bo ho ba
anya say tool abi a wo kodo a tool like
tools wo hia tools how be ye adwuma
say equipment and tools
exactly studio ayewa he these are the tools I need here right yeah so that is it ye hia bibi be protect yen because adwuma bia so na make on risk level inti ha no hwa chemicals nature say what are the possible effects I will say jumeru and bo ban chemicals be ko ye into the first place no share the chemicals the personal protective equipment no I will say nya bibia adbesi ohun say na heli we no so yentumi ankyere say ajumeru ano e breach sa provision ya then yentumi nka say ajumeru ano has
mbacho nti chemu say se fancy edumeru ano ema wo de bia de kata ye hune de wo de hye wuti apron na wo be hye na se still a unya yare na edumeru ano enye ebone oni liability bia
no liability if say also no so ensure say why nti say so bra adwuma hyewe na wan hye o say ye take you through the disciplinary procedure no wo ka say onye wanye will come after you. Yeah, engineer edumeru ano so right also make sure say why but no will mitigate no liability. Uhwe we na just say bia yam provided. We need yam provided. Inti na just say jumeru anu obi bia so ya wanye. Inti wanye ne de na just say watumra no. If say obi tufa na wa manu no be protect ne hwen, obe protect ne ho na onya yare bia wasem.
Inti bia so obi amazing for bi or payabo e wo for momo foundation.
Goggles.
Na wan hye goggle na eboba bi fi. Won say dade no. Utumi de bo e form sa na boba bi etu na bebo wani pa na say wani a. Efieru no e na oye liable na say former no ma wadwuma na say contractor na e liable.
Adwuma ba bia wo ji aketua no ono no employer nti ono no na oye liable to sa wani nyina. Even your office aye wo akonya yetena so. So wo achi na ko hospital na doctor chere say no akonya otis no nya I will say wo employers provide you
sir it say akwati twum say me kona me say machi I was
I also provide you akonya ebe prevent any damage but say eba obi timi pamade sa na obi
ni sisi
na afi ona na che say ni nante ne kra change nti ano no sa no mbra ne pa ho kwan a obetimi ne o employer
ko nti mpacho ade ba ko Ghana ha adwuma fo hu na mane ho pa ne casual workers contract workers ni ade ever say so we company ni ba no ka say okra wo nye permanent okra wo ye casual worker okra no wo ye contractor won some wo ye subcontracting so okọ port say mo say ni pa maritime dock workers union say port wa anya adwuma no de ama maritime dock workers company no ma subcontract e de ama bi atema boys no into wo contract no say fa wo lawyer wo adwuma no is with MDU anya gapoa nti say wo yare a gapoa na obeko after them so MDU bi a omuni kapre gapoa so wo sika wo ko after them anka obenya nti obende wo ye casual worker obetimi make that claim
ye wo bi ha ye hwe no occupiers liability right nti you own a property
but you can no ye akira say bra local
yeah I can say
as wo ye spiritual
wo fani say wadwumam right obi ofie kra ana yes ofie kra like bank right banking hall obi remu bia no you owe that person a duty to protect him. Oh yes
ura bank kwa na pase a bank neka
I was say bank na ensure say obi remu bia no o protect nipa no nti se wono aye floor bi na e slippery na wa baba nyese wakwa akoshe hills wa shell hills on the normal floor
na say la wo shell hills so shell hills la won tell
shell hills na wa akobo achie bi na say wa balance ye na eno de wa we but still the owner of the property will have a question to answer. Oh yes.
Occupiers liability.
Yes, yeah.
Ntu uti ola odim. Mami twa me ho ne yamra ne yamra say carpenter fo a normally be no ma ba ofie be ye adwuma. Plumber no ba ofie be ye adwuma. Bia obepra e wo honom. Obi won mo penti obi da ho abrosan. Etasi unza. No free show honom ma na fom po oba. And also obi ye liable and I say obi liable. Yeba na betwe nti lawyer meba na mama because workers asem we dey o say ka okọ baby ti say tema say ya. Eye industrial area nti etasi papa na crane abebo obi so habo vaco kane no kra na vaco ye active na obi ato aluminum no eye very serious. Eye big steel companies eye serious na say Lebanese companies ya wo ma be niam mo de ye Ghana for workers. Ahumete kra bia ne ma wako de ya ewi ase okoje kakra mo say settle na out of court so enti yamra me wo case na ne meto aso na yonko da no da bia na onua bi wo baabi na adwuma ni Ghana nti na 1.5 no akoye adwuma bi ne yetu nani ya bese nani ya ma ne yawe amasa anya bete cameraman wo gina oni sisi so ho ochina na bre sisi nti na na yire se still ya wo tumi nya yi se the last year kokan ye ya na je sa akositum wo ye labo so wa ma obi sisi asene na won tumi mieja na je se ono so ne lab ne responsibility towards na yire ana okunu ababa ya asem akosi okay yamra sisi ane meto so mo case ana Musia for samba bio live ye wo mi wo case ana so e wo Adom TV so ye wo ado ye san e wo 94.7 Vim lady ni eguso ne me lawyer so ma ben na e boa me ehumra no ye ni ada ho na obi sisi wa obi sisi wa odi obetimi akọ district court o antintamo a circuit court ho anya yi a high court ho court of appeal last one ye dey do CJ ma me no amonim so for akufu utumi say yes ho na ye be ma say John kra ojo so one mo say yes emra organ oh yeah anado kra ho so court awu me duru wona na no keka boss quadruple say massage na chen ye be fa duplicate kwa ho dey obi o ye penny kra o ye small nti manson de enye se enye kwase ebu ayi nti na manson wo no ti anto aso ne lawyer na me se meba wo no ma bebusa se na so obi contract worker o shada nye permanent omu nyina no se ebia wakọ bank okoye adwuma ho obi aba ofie carpenter plumber oba be ye adwuma wapra o paintu dan o friso abehwe form o de ne ka
wakam bebre abo se bank de ne carpenter
bank de ne kwa de uni abe ma chie mu ti ne emfa carpenter ne painter no ne sa de
se carpenter na se painter why engage in services ono awon equipment ono na providing the equipment nya wona provide ebia de o to ani paint and he has upon himself also ono na de jetu no ho so say obey safety mechanisms unless say one man floor be a hotro and na panasho and the na occupies liability na bem na say ono say also de atwede ba no no na atwede abebu de na atwede de and na de ahefira so it depends on who is providing a nearby say safe environment. Why they providing carpenter now obey adwuma one day no ono na providing na ade and I say o na ode man
never say lawyer obi aba ofie say bia abusuafo bia ba abesrawo ana bi ko obi twemo say o mepe ba bia gunsuo na wa ma na bia washroom na washroom no e bia dade bia bo esoro ho wo so ifi ho ana kum okono so wunim say bia dade bo ho wan kan che say bra me dem washroom dem de be ma wo so dade bi bo ntia wo sorry a hwe opra hwan
and dey wa what you dey and your friend occupies liability
na wa we good summary what small say just on no
eno nti na e wo say o ma o di notice bo ho say aha de ade no wo fom nti u ba bu mu ase ana say dade no dade bi bo ha nti hwe nti wa ma sa caution na se nipa no kopra wo asem
nti baby ti say case Malcolm de ye ba ye dan ni dwurugu ye say eno say efiera no edan ra no ka so occupies liability and now say ye bia the otimu no which in that case was Malcolm for no na occupies liability
and not sa issue no
say different
meti bebre say efiera no say equipment de agum no ne niam de agum no was more than what the building could contain and until the man dwurugu ya metimo baby sa also omo de enema emu oduru nkura ko
sa na ya omo ye omo de
top floor na warehouse
sa
edan bia so on capacity enti say na koba aye dia na no mtimi blame fiera no but enye sa na buy na say shoddy work say adwuma na omo ye no mo anye ni na na budia but we no e was say subject to expert advice intimate na enbu obi for na sanity
enti abusuafo na say de ye ka no we enye say ebu obi aten ye de example ba say de emperifo no so chire mu no lawyers ka say untumi nyina han ka say bia Malcolm edan ni wura na ye mfom so ana say Malcolm fo na omo de enkonwa no kogu mu nje say test nti na court ko de say be say no ka say any idiots can go to court boa you can go to court but you can go to court about the yes wa ko no 77 kwasem because wan ko ni ye na wo so de oba onim say oba court na asem a wo de ba ye no 77 ye se hunu a ana ye nsem anyansa ni mu a court bo ka wo waste court no time ti atugubati we justice so fa kufuti we na justice apau ana say court of appeal judge madam for pa na me godfather ba ko pa justice tanko won na timi chire lawyers kwa law no wo court what we no be waste ni time one man frivolous case say na lawyer na me kuro de won me da wo mu ato package ye we case ye do court ya pammo me asa aboka next time who court dan ya obehwe ni mienu ansa na wako court the court de dwene wasa ho pa ansa na wako lawyer bi wo so file case ma
e ka na ye born nkra ye di bi be ma nipa na ade ne court no so wasa na da
sa e ka na born
e bia akofa lawyer
ampa
wo adwuma ye waja ho aba court ni na sa ka no na obetua nti ye court anya careful
enti ye to ye case to so mienu ma me bi so ware be say afe enifa we kra de nkenche ma me aden 1.5 years and why no see before mo why no be man ka chen say we de opese wo tine fie no hwe nkola ne ade so onya adwuma no ba ti kodi oba odo ne kunu and ememe wanye je so a won wa wo nam so na why ya sorry yes hey adabe na be wa na adada ade na che say wa okomate e beti no mo fa ne sa na oji adwuma wo so ne be ma etia be me wo so be hwe no chop money be man so de be ba no ma enkora ne di edidi emu sika pe na be man de ba ana che say be man ne te wo saa ana se so no te wo ana o se da bi we de enya saa na be man no e she ne bo so obeye na o se de ya ne ya kro otwa na work so wo se be me family and friends one day na busuanfo ba no discuss mo bi wo kra na busuanfo no mu se sika no aye no de amo won te ase o case ana ma mi so de okukọ ese yo 1.5 years wo case o na yellow ya ma mi afene fa pe o su
na fi amibisa
a reasonable time
dem pa no who say ni kunu this camera busuanfo no we oye dey no hu
na so ne da sorry
anyway or the case aba nti ndi ma no okay obisa so o case ana first yen hwe say agreement between onu ni kunu is it binding?
Intention to create legal relations.
Binding. Is it binding? If it is binding, yes, you can go to court.
But will share binding?
No.
Obani okunu de ye dam pasona. Na better than am o bu to pose better than am. Me show ko school.
And you get point.
Ebia on any arrangement that's an or no. And in the marriage environment and no more.
That's all in personal arrangement and mother arrangement.
Not here. Say ye arrangements that say ye warrior and ye set na ho and ye juma. Well, tinefie na me kombra no kire say ya ware. He say warrior ye to me yes arrangements set tinefie na me kombra.
So obetimi so aka say me be ware me pese wo ye otinafie na me koba. Onza.
Wow. Me it cannot be binding. Yes, it cannot be
if
binding.
It's done in the marriage environment. So mo worry no mo ye dia.
But when you share scenario now who say it was done in the marriage environment.
Okay.
Say ya worry. Now me feel say in Kolano. Yeah, mbeba pi wo hon ma ompesa o me adwuma. Tinefie Kolano ba system to do the homework. So But now, what promise is maniska or mano. Omana na ensu no ana o mano kra so first court they won't even call because the agreements will not have any intention to create legal binding inti ya no the first we didn't to call but mono so what promise na o ma chop money na so oba no so man chop money ba o man no sika out better talk
personal things be away
yes. Now let's look at this. Ushe Matrimonial Act now, Bema one responsibilities, right? Already hedge on that responsibility, it gives the Obano grounds to even ask for divorce. Yeah. Now, you say, I will say Bema Shoba, right? Bema said, I said this as part of the marital responsibilities. It is a hand so when Timanya does it give Obano grounds to go to court and enforce that responsibility? Let's look at it.
Yeah, say Bema na said dear. That's one yeah. On say act na marriage act na so. I can say Obano bit ma take Bema on. So I'm when ma the same thing. Obano and as a crown bit ma take Bema on. So far as the child is below 18, like we discussed.
But Hanono or ma chop money. And no, we admit say a marital or matrimonial home responsibilities, yes. Right? But say or mausika sabi obia you want to do some makeups, right? Well, mausika to do that. Okoye to see also obey.
Then when you obey na said it.
Oh no, children the choice. If you see who you also obey you.
Oh, no obey right over. You say you
then let your body also push that right, support your rights.
Then when you man say hey, lawyer, this is a case of Obama here na Juma. She may not come to Obama and say, bra, mami se kan kobo rasta. Mami ko share we gibi. Na na ya odi ya wa ya mami. Mami ko share bi. So what I say? Anko oye na Juma dia. Anko be ye no. Ma won woman na je Juma so won tena fie.
Okay.
Won tena fie na better draws. Better wig. Better makeup wa.
Now no, the choice is hers, right? Bemano say Judgment may say, you say and you're binding. And you can also decide to ignore her.
I don't know if I say you're binding. I won't say you're binding. Well, say binding.
The American say a woman say, agreement no. And the nipa bebre or near Momujina so more. Oba ohoya me fe se ne on sase ye no me no me de pese me ware wa otene fi na no me no odi suso mu na me ye kama enu nti me ware wa me pese obeye adwuma se sa ene koye ya ene na ye binding na se ya ware awie ne ye hwe the way stress is it otitema ye ye adwuma wa kra traffic mu aye di ye be ko na nkura yi chese o mi hu o manim kwa me ade ene sa ade a ene ba kuntina fi oba na ntina fi na me be ma me nkomra eno sa de enye binding
eno ma ware awie
ya ware awie eno ye domestic environment em say ya discuss bibi sa wa eno ye domestic environment but where ye nya ware eno wa yes arrangement ni de I can take you on but in the light of all this no ye be ma said yes o hwe ne yire eno na cancel kan. What is the level of say you see oba be ma show oba what is the level also a top pink dress manana also a top wig manana I believe say ofa oba no adwuma oye no otimi siesie no to na wig ne ade dia say o ka say obehwe na also otimi maintain in that level no because say oni oba atena na say divorce be ma awareja e ba na say mo court be hwe say level how the oba na si no o maintain no. So many use car, mo car see 2 money use car. Court be more man baako. Yes. And based on this analogy no, I believe say be man no any oba no tonight. Say
no mo kan ya.
No mo kan ya, say no mo worry. I say be man to maintain this level no man.
Right, so there's a case, Buffalo versus Buffalo case. Or be man no see. But what show ba no only be man na tie na chiro so obenya rheumatism. Now be man so wo de tena fie nya adwuma. So me bia mema 30 pounds. Okay. And a be man boat to call ye. Na ship no call ye no. Or one of friend ma me no. Almost abre no mo telegraph so me de me need to ke bia me de ma o de ye nja ware because be bia me ti enya so no bi o ye yi. Oba ni siu be man no. E no nya alimony. Sika na be man share ne bo no. Nti una o ka say enya binding. But when you mu gina boat who was me say no so your oba ne be ma.
Yes,
our force but court no the man say or you're entitled to say abortion na be ma share no
okay sa case we say already further obe say court no gitu mu say sa arrangement cannot be binding. It cannot be a contract.
Court no say cannot be a contract.
Yes, it cannot. It's not a contract.
Then I no award you know.
No, there were other grounds. Other grounds say why depriving of something
over the period.
Over the period. So then this comes into compensate. Share this case with merit and merit.
Merit.
Merit and merit. Obe say court no can say at the time of my year contract no agreement no more separate. Therefore
the intention is legal relationship.
If you compare that to this, this they were together then. So it is a
contract.
Into your contract.
Obi ne maame.
Into your contract.
Obi ne nadamfo e.
Into wadamfo
betimi contract. Pachola abobo so obi ne maame untumi no maame nya contract.
No, untumi no your contract. But share not in business wise. Right.
Say if you
obi no maame business.
Ti say am fan say huhurunku kom na
mema say
eno dey
am contract.
O pass business mema say when you abre na wo ye we na Juma now say, oh, don't worry. Me try ticket na ma. Obeko holidays. Oh, sorry, and you're binding.
Well, your girlfriends also now. Remember, you mo kwasha bo akesi. Ubu atupa na oshishe humbo.
And no, the court legit we say, ain't me you're binding that. If it's that time, no, can you reasoning?
The rest.
What are your contract?
It's a bro.
Yeah.
It's a wrong environment.
Obian share session bo. Right, obian share o ne oba na ka se me pew. Oba no se magia to me so me pew. Una ko she dem. One ne da. Obian suma o. Bibian propele o se ko she bo. One o say oh oba bako Dubai ati. Show atum. Uni oba man me predma wan gapo a.
Or the J points.
Na no anu anya untu me fan kokon.
No.
Na oba no so oba na nu 15 no na hu fifre. Wo bushia.
Start bia
bi no ye de ekunu kra no ye.
Eventually. So wait me the court. How do you prove it? It's your word against the word of the man.
Oh, your word against the word of the man saying.
That one, who is your witness?
But okay.
Baby, who is your witness? Who say me kai
Vim lady, let's look at it in this way. Before I obeko court no, me adjust me say it's a legal binding.
Yes.
And so with my enforcer.
Yes.
Now, share in contract, there are certain ingredients like capacity. Capacity, age, insanity, right? At the time, yes. At the time, who enter into contract, you are reasoning. I said that often it should not be impaired.
You are not under any influence.
It is a one even alcohol crana. You can't enter into a valid contract.
No,
yes. Now that mood now we're doing baby, we're doing.
It's almost insane. But I'm for your contract.
Oh no. I disagree.
According to research, yes, the pressure of bladder, bema here, I'll be the erection. So pressure now no here man adwuma.
Good.
Yes. Eti akofo mo a
yes. This connecting hand on the into that kind of
very important.
Yes. Na baha agina
nya adwuma enti de ebe ka no be careful so obefa me serious akeka bi no ogeka
ka de ebe ka bi
and I was say shada ye program ba go dey futo mama na
ka de ebe ka bi
because man dey e funny serious e funny serious
enti we no to relate sir we need to baffle and baffle eventually e be ma say dey so hwe ne yere enti so no yere aye agreement say bia ya no baba na mo ye kra na say bibisa me kwa odo. Remember Western Union every month, remember 30 Ghana and 100 Ghana. Any kwan say render or ban destitute. Any kwan say o ban ye mobo arewa. Oh, I was so timid ba. Sika be reasonable say ebetimi ama.
Na no obi so ho ma ho so ba wo bon ho modern. O ye adwuma to ade o kan shi makola asaf market o bon ho modern. Nto o man wa eno so e. O ma osika o ye so na say o ye adwuma. Na so into tuan kola no school fees and that so they will forget to
ade na say eventually no eya na ye kan ye be say ye be kan according to the way anka court be si aka no court o kasa say bia ye kasa oba ma be meska na be ma ma oba meska ye be kasa mo fa affidavit of means skasen na unya Saying na scan
spending mema kokko so mo nhwo mo ma no a court no use so
yes
say ni bottom to saying
yes parents oba ni be ma sede so mbe hwa akra what you say enti wo
na be ma kwa na e bo ne kai
it's not always the case be ma na e bo ne kai because of the kind of environment and society that we are mema na koba be ma dodo na mema was casting ma un analyze ya mema was casting ma enti na mema na tua but situation last time I catch you there was a case here abrantie na onya sugar mommy one na ko no na eba eventually mommy who say guy need take advantage of her and no call court so be divorce ni ma yenya granted divorce na oba ni huye Beman was entitled to everything that a husband is entitled to. Sir, I make a show. Yeah. Make a show what deal to. And you to us. Oh, and he say, yeah, na omuko court na court stance say. Yeah, obi amfa na affidavit of means mra. Wo oba wo anything. Uchichema saying na udi send it to am school fees near there. Ni ehwe na say oba ne de no bro be man ne de so a. Be oba no was obviously saying be man na. Be man na beji compensation. I see. Anya oba no. I see. Sanity.
Loyalty odi na obeka odi betwa to e wo case.
Ma menjina mfa akonya yiso mfa nchiame mame anti ama eso atwini peace preparatory afi we
do wo ekwabe no
eso atwini exactly
ye bako wa kodi
yes afi we ni kola ne ba ko enya aggregate 8
oh sa
anti peace preparatory mabo modern pa ni Mr. Sante ni atichogui family nyine wo alajo echi obia
obiajo say
that ni senior Morris Ampa senior baby obia mi chia
oh is already president
senior ma fi winter ya no afre ni edi
ko obedi president right final words
final words are mechanic say yem fanto yen ho so as a society obi owa society mbia yem fanto yen ho say mra ne be ya adwuma no ebe me nyina ho atoye ebe me nyina ho atoye obi e de car na pavement so eni kwan say car na mo o say emfa ho akobo obi ebi ko onye obusuani but sa sin na obi hu ni moja ni ade no it can torment you for the rest of your life. Yen take it serious. Ni enhwe se mra ne be adwuma. Me am farmer police for ho. So obi ya ade na nya ye tetrotrom or ye wrong overtaking or the nama yenka. Ye be hu ane de akohwe wo. Na na ya cha
wo ye tu no.
Na wo kan wo ye tu no.
Inti me last words no. Yen farmer ne serious.
Yeah, that's it. Lo me de answer na e be kokra no me de e ma ne de na wo kan no. Yen ya very careful say bedroom hu bo sha kese no. Be ma bia na oka na lawyers aka no e ye duress. Ntumi fa nkojina court bia say na be ma na o share me boss o beto ka ma me mo me anya careful ma no e hu be ma bia na che say sebi o ma no hyesu na so jimi o na ya bete na che say would na chi sa ya fa se da emma lawyer kwabla owutumensam lawyer ni America boga ba ko pe lawyer Parker Atisobe enso lawyer wo mienu na abeboa men nen mai ye ni tie ni ehu ni nyina adwuma fo so ye me ni na ho ni ehu se de mra ne tie ne atumi abo ehu man asedan kom ya boa for top herba om na dia haba man no ebe papa e de boa Ghana fo ko na ko ja ya hwe na de nipa no ye ncha sa nti wuti ha watena se ahodi mta bia ba me so de ti wanum Friday ayi pork bi ne ba yire bi de watumi aba bo mama de why yi sa ne de se ko chilled one origin zero ya de ahwe how far because masa see ye no ade aka de se e Friday eso de ade akotam production team Helen ene omo maka nyina Adom ase papa assistant some ne ade akuti mensa ne Jesse enum ne tina munya Adom ase cameraman yakopon sham ne mu cameraman mo amubu musisi mu de mu odi anadwi mu hwe ye anadwi utie wa sempa 94.7 yakopon sham next week e be say share from a vim lady pink